my condition was very, very bad. So I was almost close to death. The doctor in Goa said that I have to have a transplant, and as I said, my daughter gave me the liver and saved me, and it was
So I'm here to share with you a success story about one of my very good patients, a mother and daughter who were the liver transplant recipient, Mrs. Sunita Shetty and her daughter Dr. Vaishnavi Shetty, who bravely came forward to donate part of her liver to her mother. Her mother was very sick and she was having mellidosis, which is a very severe infection and that can cause lot of liver problem. She needed an urgent liver transplant and she was shifted from Manipal Hospital, Goa.
Hi, I'm Sunita Shetty from Mangalore. I'm a liver transplanted patient. This happened in 2020, August 22nd. I had my transplant. It was a day that I saw my leg was red and went to the doctor, my physician, and I realized, he told me that I'm in a bad state, and I was taken straight to the ICU in Goa. My husband was so upset that he wanted to have a very good doctor for me, surgeon for me. Someone told him about Dr. Sanjeev Rohatgi in Manipal, Bangalore. I was brought to Bangalore, and my donor was my daughter. She was just 20 then.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Shetty. I'm a liver donor. I donated my liver when I was 20 years old. It was 2.5 years ago. I donated it to my mother. This whole experience, it was very unexpected for me. I didn't see it coming, but because of my doctor, he was quite encouraging, and he spoke to me and he made me understand about the whole process. I'm in the medical profession myself, so that's why I could understand him better. So yeah, that helped me a lot, and he stood by me throughout. So I was not that stressed, and he was very positive and kept motivating me. So I was like a rock to my family as well, because they were scared for me and my mom. It's both of us going through a big procedure, but I was positive and I knew things will go into place. And since being in the medical profession, I knew how the transplant procedure works. Since it's liver, it can regenerate again. So I was not worried about that part of my life post-surgery.
At the same time, the daughter had to be counseled. She was a medical student, so she knew much about it, and she was brave enough to make a quick decision and donate part of her liver. We did her surgery on 22nd of August, 1 week after optimization.
In Goa, they were treating me, but nobody knew what the problem was. When I was brought to Bangalore, Dr. Sanjeev found out what the main cause was. I had a bacterial attack. I was supposed to have my surgery on the 28th of August, but I was so sick, I was sinking, and there was hardly any chance for me to live. Like, it was 5%. But doctor took the risk and he went forward. Even the anesthesia people gave up. They said, no, they can't give me anesthesia. But doctor stood by me and said, I am there. So please give the anesthesia to her, and I'm there. So that's how he did the transplant. Usually the transplant takes, I think, 10 to 12 hours, but mine was almost 19 to 20 hours.
2.5 years later, there has been a gradual progression in her health, and she is now absolutely normal, and so is the daughter. Donating a kidney is a different ball game, because there are two kidneys and one kidney can be easily donated, but donating a liver is slightly more complicated, because we have to cut across the liver and give half the part to the recipient, and the rest half of the remains with the donor. So it needs a lot of meticulous workup and post-operative care, which our team did very well, and here we are with both of them, mother-daughter. They are doing extremely well, and I'm very proud of them.
So now it's been 2.5 years and I'm absolutely healthy and I can do everything what I used to do before the surgery. I'm fit, I finished my MBBS, now I'm a doctor. Even if you're young, you're a girl and you want to save someone's life and you can, then I think you should go for it without a second thought, because you can save a life and there is no harm for your body. You can still be the same and be proud about yourself.
I'm so grateful to my daughter. Because of her and my surgeon, Dr. Sanjeev Rohatgi, I'm speaking to you all today, and healthy and hale.